about to get. I hate this shit, man.
Oh, look at that! Look at the baby's landing right here.
Oh shit.
Alright, I'm gonna cut, guys. I'm gonna cut off. Here you go. Alright.
I'm going right behind you.
Yeah. Just pick up on this bridge when it's pretty bad. Yeah. I don't know about that.
Hey, we can play
Graveyard?
Yes, sir.
Hey, let's get into graveyard. Look, push in. He's in that building. We got one person in the building. Keep going, keep going.
He's behind the cedar post there. His head's down.
We're taking fire from the little shack right here. The small shack right here. Small shack right there.
Head down, his head's down.
He's pinned down. Is he on the outside?
Yeah, he's on the outside.
Heard.
You got one at the center.
Yeah. Hey, there's one behind that building right here. This shack right here, there's one behind it. On the outside. What's the corner? He's on the corner, he's at the corner, he's at the corner, peeking over on the right corner. He's peeking around the right corner. He's not peeking right now, he's not peeking. Careful, there's one on the shack right there, peeking around the corner. He's down? Good shit, good shit. Get in there, get in there. Crossing, crossing, crossing. Good shit, bro, good shit.
Headshot count, dude.
Oh shit.
Another one there.
They're shooting down at us from the windows. There's one at the window, the shack right next to us in front of us, 12 o'clock. He's shooting through the window, he's shooting through the window.
Bottom left side.
Jump, push it up. What cover do we got?
What cover do we got cover for shit. They're coming over 12.
We got wood, we got cover at the wood there though.
Where do we got in front of us?
There's somebody shooting through that window right there of that shack right there. He's trying to shoot this way. The shack right here in front of us, right here. The next one over, the next one over.
Up there, I can see it down there. Nope. Stay back. Oh, we don't want to shoot him.
Hey, push with him, guys. Push with him.
Who's got legs? Hey, I almost went. I'm going to give you cover fire. Push through that yellow building. Yellow building. Go.